Horizontal and vertical lines. Suppose I want to find the equation of a line passing through the points 2, 3 and negative 4, 3. Notice if I plot those 2 points, 2, 3 might be here, negative 4, 3 might be here, and the line joining those two, if I did it correctly, would be horizontal. So notice if I go to compute the slope, I do my change in y over change in x, and when I do that I get 0 over either 6 or negative 6, so that my final slope is 0. So notice this is a horizontal line, and so notice my horizontal line has a slope equal to 0. If I put that into my y equals mx plus b, I get y equals 0x plus b. And then if I use one of the points, and I chose to use the first point, we have 3 equals 0 times 2 plus b, so b equals 3. And simplifying, we end up getting that y equals 0x plus 3, or y equals 3 is the equation. Like we said before, this line is horizontal. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. And probably the most important fact here is that all horizontal lines have equations of the form y equals b, where b is that, in fact, that y-intercept. Now let's take a look at a second example. Suppose I want to find the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 5 and 1, 2. Again, if I graph those 2 points, they will line up vertically. So those 2 points produce a vertical line. So let's compute the slope. So the slope is change in y over change in x, 5 minus 2 over 1 minus 1. I get 3 over 0, which is what we call undefined slope. Some students refer to that as no slope. I prefer to use undefined slope because it's clearer what we mean. The line, as we said before, is vertical. And again, vertical lines all have undefined slope. All vertical lines have equations of the form x equals a. We cannot use our y equals mx plus b because we do not have an m to use. So in the case of the example we've been looking at, the equation of that line would be x equals 1. So in general, given a point AB, the equation of any horizontal line through that point, or the horizontal line through that point, is y equals b, where b is the y value shared by all of the points on the line. The equation of any vertical line is x equals a, where a is the x value shared by all of the points on the line.